The first flight begins quietly. No rush, no speed, no need to prove anything. Just the coast, the wind, and a new camera, leaving the ground for the first time. Today, Panoria 360 takes its first careful step into Area 360 VR. Not as an action flight, not as a race through the sky, but as a calm look from above. A slow lift, a wide horizon, and the feeling that the coast is opening around us. From the ground, the lighthouse is a destination. Something you walk toward. Something that stands above the coast. But from the air, it becomes something else. A point of orientation. A quiet marker between land, sea, and sky. In 360 VR, the flight does not force one direction. You can look ahead. You can look back. You can turn toward the water or follow the land behind you. The place is not only in front of the camera, it is all around you. So take your time. This is not a fast flight. This is the first quiet rise of Panoria 360 into the air. Now the lighthouse becomes the anchor. The drone moves carefully around it, but the tower stays calm. It does what lighthouses always done. It gives the eye a place to return to. Around it, the coast spreads out. Grass, water, paths, sky. Simple things, but from above, they begin to form a pattern. This is the strength of calm aerial VR. Not heat alone, not dramatic movement, but the feeling of floating inside a real place. A place you can explore with your own eyes. A drone can fly fast, but speed often takes the moment away. Here, the moment stays gentle. The camera gives you time to look around, to find the lighthouse again, to follow the coastline, to notice the sky, to feel the space. This is still a first flight, a test, a beginning. But already the direction is clear. Panoria 360 is no longer only standing on the ground. It can now rise above the coast and still keep the calm feeling of immersive travel. The technology is new, but the story is old. Land, sea, sky, light, distance. A lighthouse at the edge, and a viewer free to look around. Every first flight also needs a safe return. The drone turns back slowly. The lighthouse remains behind us. But the coast is still all around. This is the quiet lesson of the first flight. Aerial 360 VR does not need to be loud. It does not need sharp turns. It does not need speed. It does not need spectacle. Sometimes the strongest moment is simply a stable view above a beautiful place. The ground comes closer. The flight becomes smaller. The sky gives the camera back to human hands. And with the hand catch, the first chapter ends. A careful start, a calm flight, a new way of seeing the coast. There will be more flights, more coastlines, more wider spaces, more quiet places from above. But this one will remaining the beginning. The first time Panoria 360 left the ground. Thank you for watching. This is Panoria 360.